introducing a lineup of game-changing construction gadgets that are designed to improve efficiency, safety, and precision on the job site. From Schindler R.I.S.E's advanced elevator solutions to LAOM's innovative equipment, these tools are built to enhance your workflow. Whether you're working with CERTUS for smart construction management, laying down as-country stone for high-quality stonework, or using FastenMaster deck frame coating for enhanced durability, each gadget is tailored for the toughest tasks. SpiderNet keeps your project safe, while Doka Slipform and DokaXact offer precision for forming concrete. Need better material handling? DERUTU and Evolve Stone deliver quality solutions, and with CONTRACK, streamline your project management like never before. Let's dive into these groundbreaking innovations that are transforming construction. Introducing FastenMaster deck frame coating, the ultimate solution for protecting and extending the life of your deck's frame. This high-performance coating is designed to shield wood from moisture, rot, and weather damage, ensuring your deck frame stays strong for years to come. Its easy application process creates a durable, water-resistant layer that enhances the longevity of the structure, preventing costly repairs down the line. Perfect for builders and homeowners alike, FastenMaster deck frame. Coating delivers superior protection, durability, and peace of mind. Choose FastenMaster for a deck that stands the test of time. Introducing airsnake stone construction gadgets, the ultimate tools designed for precision and efficiency on any job site. From heavy-duty stone-cutting blades to multi-purpose drills, airsnake stone provides the reliability you need to get the job done right. Their stone saws offer unmatched durability, cutting through tough materials with ease, while their grinding tools deliver smooth, professional finishes. Plus, the dust extraction system ensures a cleaner, safer workspace, reducing airborne debris. For superior performance and top-tier quality in stone and construction tools, choose airsnake stone, built for professionals who demand the best. Introducing Evolve Stone, the revolutionary construction gadget designed to make stone cutting and shaping easier than ever. This advanced tool offers precision and durability, allowing you to cut, shape, and polish stone with minimal effort. Whether you're working on a small project or large-scale construction, Evolve Stone ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. With its ergonomic design and powerful motor, it's built to handle tough materials while offering ultimate control. Upgrade your stoneworking tools with Evolve Stone and bring efficiency and accuracy to every job site. Introducing SpiderNet, the innovative solution for enhancing job site safety. This high-quality netting system is designed to protect workers and equipment by providing a strong, durable barrier against falling debris. Whether you're working at height or managing a construction zone, SpiderNet ensures that your site stays safe and secure, preventing accidents and costly delays. Made with reinforced materials, it's quick and easy to install, offering maximum protection with minimal effort. For construction sites that prioritize safety and efficiency, SpiderNet is your go-to tool for reliable fall protection. Stay safe, stay protected with SpiderNet. Meet CERTUS Construction Gadgets, your go-to for precision and durability on every job site. From heavy-duty impact drivers to advanced laser levels, CERTUS tools are built to handle the toughest tasks. Their cordless drill sets offer powerful performance with long-lasting batteries, while the laser distance measurer ensures accuracy, reducing errors in every measurement. Need more? The CERTUS rechargeable work light brightens even the darkest spaces, keeping your workspace illuminated. For tools that combine strength, reliability, and innovation, choose CERTUS Construction Gadgets, the perfect companion for every professional builder. Introducing the Doka Slipform, a game-changing tool in the world of concrete construction. This innovative slipform system is designed to streamline the process of building vertical concrete structures such as walls, columns, and towers. With its efficient, self-climbing design, the Doka Slipform allows for continuous, high-speed pouring, cutting down on time and labor costs. Its modular components provide flexibility and ease of use, making it perfect for both small and large-scale projects. Whether you're constructing skyscrapers or bridges, the Doka Slipform ensures precision, safety, and unparalleled productivity. Transform your concrete construction projects with the Doka Slipform. Introducing DokaXact, the cutting-edge technology that revolutionizes formwork planning and execution. This smart tool combines precision, efficiency, and real-time tracking to optimize your construction projects. With DokaXact, you can easily monitor and adjust formwork, ensuring exact measurements and flawless alignment every time. By integrating sensors and advanced software, DokaXact helps minimize errors and rework, saving you both time and money. Whether it's for complex structures or large-scale builds, DokaXact provides real-time data and feedback for maximum accuracy. Take your construction projects to the next level with DokaXact, the future of formwork technology. The Schindler R.I.S.E. is a revolutionary construction gadget that's changing the way buildings are designed and constructed. This cutting-edge robotic construction lift is designed to transport heavy materials and tools efficiently, helping workers save time and energy on construction sites. With its intelligent automated system, the R.I.S.E. can lift up to 2,000 kilograms and move materials vertically with ease, making it ideal for high-rise buildings. Its modular design allows for quick adjustments to suit various building structures, while its smart technology integrates with site management systems for optimal efficiency. Whether you're working on skyscrapers or complex infrastructure, Schindler R.I.S.E. makes construction faster, safer, and more cost-effective. If you're in construction and looking to improve productivity, the R.I.S.E. is a must-have tool for your team. Introducing LAOM Construction Gadgets, high-performance tools designed for efficiency and precision on the job site. From laser distance meters to cordless drills, LAOM provides rugged, reliable tools that withstand tough conditions. The LAOM laser level ensures perfectly straight lines for accurate measurements, while their battery-powered LED work lights brighten up dark spaces. Plus, their multi-tool oscillating saw combines cutting, sanding, and scraping in one powerful gadget. For durability, power, and versatility in every project, trust LAOM Construction Gadgets to get the job done right. Introducing Vroom, the construction gadget designed to elevate your job site efficiency. Vroom is a cutting-edge tool that speeds up material transport and streamlines workflows with its powerful and compact design. Whether you're moving heavy equipment, supplies, or tools, Vroom helps reduce manual labor and save time, allowing your crew to focus on what matters most. With its robust build and versatile features, it's perfect for tight spaces and rough terrains. Make your construction projects run smoother and faster with Vroom, the ultimate solution for efficient material handling on the job site. Introducing CONTRACK, the ultimate construction gadget designed to revolutionize project management on site. This advanced tool helps streamline workflows, track progress, and ensure every step of your construction project is on schedule. CONTRACK integrates seamlessly with your team's operations, providing real-time data, task tracking, and resource management all in one place. With its intuitive interface, it's never been easier to monitor timelines and improve efficiency across all aspects of construction. Maximize productivity, reduce delays, and keep your project on track with CONTRACK, the smart solution for modern construction management. Introducing DERUTU, the game-changing tool designed to enhance precision and efficiency on your construction sites. This innovative gadget is a must-have for builders who demand accuracy and speed. DERUTU is equipped with advanced measurement technology, making it perfect for leveling, aligning, and marking. With its user-friendly interface, introducing LAOM construction gadgets, high-performance tools designed for efficiency and precision on the job site. From laser distance meters to cordless drills, LAOM provides rugged, reliable tools that withstand tough conditions. The LAOM laser level ensures perfectly straight lines for accurate measurements, while their battery-powered LED work lights brighten up dark spaces. Plus, their multi-tool oscillating saw combines cutting, sanding, and scraping in one powerful gadget. For durability, power, and versatility in every project, trust LAOM construction gadgets to get the job done right. In conclusion, the future of construction is here with these groundbreaking tools and gadgets. From the precision of Schindler R.I.S.E. to the innovative solutions of DERUTU, each product is designed to optimize your workflow, enhance safety, and ensure top-tier results. Whether it's improving efficiency with FastenMaster deck frame coating, ensuring stability with SpiderNet, or managing projects seamlessly with CONTRACK, these devices are revolutionizing the industry. Upgrade your construction game with these cutting-edge gadgets and take your projects to the next level.